Number three, choose the right projects to overlap, right? So I think a lot of this has to do with money, profit, but it also has to do with construction. And I almost believe it's a little bit easier for us because our acquisition prices were super low, right? We were buying properties for 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. So we could actually let properties sit. And we could determine what the best use or the best way forward was based on just construction. We didn't have to worry about buying properties that were $500,000-600,000 and $50,000 and just focusing on 500,000 because that's a better use of your funds. We could just solely focus on what the best use of projects were, what the best scheduled timeline was, based solely on the construction timeline. So we would try to avoid multiple framing projects, multiple foundation work, multiple projects that require foundation at the same time, because those subs were doing foundation subs. We wanted to bring them from one project to the next rather than just getting them backed up in four multiple projects, right? So we would try to timeline it. We would start this project on this month, wait a month, start this other project. And we basically bring one sub to the next, to the next, to the next. And it was almost like they knew what job they were working on. They were confident they had work in the future. And we didn't have to worry about being too busy. And I say that with the disclaimer, there was instances where everybody was too busy. But we could more allocate their time appropriately by scheduling projects almost to start month away from a month away. And of course, you do have inspection concerns, you have delays, you have, and when we were building during COVID, we had material delays. That brought an extra hassle, extra hurdle to our projects. I mean, still go on today. Material delays still go on today, but I think that COVID era really taught us to really schedule as much as possible and as clearly as possible going forward.